So you're trying to figure out how to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get that done, leveraging real examples from me actually making money with affiliate marketing. All right. So you definitely want to stick with me all the way through this video so you don't miss anything. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison. And with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's content. All right, so what you see in front of you is my results. So we're going to start off with showing the results, and then I'm going to show you the videos that actually generated the results, and then I'll break down what it is that I focused on to get people to take action. All right, so here we go. So you can see right here, it says recent results from one video. So what I did in this particular instance is I said, you know what, I'm going to document my results and see what happens when I rank a video. Because what happened was I was like, okay, let's continue to elevate my skills, and I went and purchased a Bing ads course. Right now, for a long time I was doing Bing ads on my own, but I was like, you know what, let's purchase this course. And then once I actually got results from the course, I was like, okay, let's put together a video. So that's what I did. So you can see in the first 11 days of putting out that video, I had 117 views. Now the income generated within that first 11 days was $148.50, which is cool, right? Because all I did was rank the video, and I didn't spend no money on no ads or anything like that. It was free. So this is literally profit for me, right? Now understand, yes, the course was $297. So at this point, I haven't yet paid for the course, but I'm like, okay, cool. I know I should be able to pay for this course because I was actually able to generate results from what was being taught in the course. And that was one of the things that, I leveraged in my video as well. And if you want to watch that video at any time, just go watch that video after you watch this. But I think this video is going to be a little bit more important. All right, so here we go. So you can see 117 views, $148.50 in 11 days. So it took me 11 days to do that with free traffic. So a couple of days later, right? So you can see it says 15 days. So at 11 days, and then 4 days later, I had another sale. So at this point, I've completely paid off the course. The course was $297, right? So you got to learn how to turn, and I don't really see the course as a liability, but you got to learn how to turn a liability into an asset. And ranking your videos at the top, number one, will allow you to do that with so many different tools that you have out there. All right, so let's get back to the results. So 15 days, I have 163 views, $297 profit, and that only took me 15 days. And you can see there's the real results right there for a 13-minute video. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to the next results, right? So the next results is gonna be a Facebook tool that allows people to literally clean up the list. So if they're doing like Facebook marketing and you really understand how that works, you don't want to have like, people on your list that are inactive, right? Because that's gonna, limit your engagement, right? But we're not gonna really, focus too much on that. I want to focus on right here where it says affiliate program. So you can see it says $708.90. But what's more important than that is, Rakeem, you will earn 30% recurring commissions. Let's stop right there. Recurring, which means that this is going to be coming in every single month, right? And for me, residual income is the best, right? If residual income is something that you love as well, just type residual down below, a residual income, all right? So now, that's pretty powerful, right? Because maybe you're working your job and you have this income stream and you got this income stream and you're like, man, as long as I keep ranking these videos and they're showing up number one and I'm structuring my videos in a way so that people can take action, it's going to change the game for you. This is just one thing, and this is why I love affiliate marketing, because right now I'm sure that you're using many different tools, and whatever niche you're in, you don't have to be in to make money. You could be in beauty or whatever niche you're in. You could literally be making money with the tools that you're already using, right? And I'm going to be putting together more and more videos here on the channel, really going over this stuff because I believe in you. I believe in you here watching this video because you took the time to watch this video because you wanted to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing. All right, now this one is going to be pretty cool because this going to kind of be like, real time, because if you look right here, it says support. You have a new customer at 6:05 in the morning. So today is June 19th, right? I woke up at 8 o'clock. Usually I wake up about 4 o'clock, 4:30 in the morning, get my workout done. And I'm still going to get my workout done. But usually I wake up around that time. Today I wake up about 7:50-ish, almost 8 o'clock. Now, if you look at the time on that, that would mean that I made money in my sleep. And there's nothing like that feeling, right? There's one of those quotes out there that, really, talks about that. I think it was Warren Buffett or something like that. Making money in your sleep, that just feels so good. And I know that you can do it if you haven't done it already, all right? And if you have, let me know down below and just let me know how that really felt. So you can see right here it says you have a new customer. So I'm about to show you the videos for all of these, but real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and paste this right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give me a second. Okay, so here we go. You have a new customer on June 11th. You have a new customer on June 17th. You have a new customer on June 3rd. You have a new customer at 6:05 in the morning from the same particular company. And then you have a new customer and that was on April 4th. So what I'm telling you is that when you rank your videos #1 at the top, what's gonna happen over time is, yes, they're gonna rank, but they're also gonna start to get suggested by more popular videos, which is actually gonna start driving traffic to you. And people resonate with people differently. Some people may like me, or they may like you, right? Or we may make the same video, but they may click on your video rather than clicking on my video, right? People are gonna resonate with different people, and that's one of the things that you gotta understand, okay? So now what I'm about to do is I'm about to go over to an incognito browser and show you all of the videos. Okay, so we're on incognito browser. So the first one I'm gonna show you is the Bing Ads training course. Okay, so that was the first results that I showed. So one thing you can see is this is getting auto populations, right? Auto suggestions. It's literally showing up as a keyword that people search. So you can see right here on incognito browser, I'm ranking #1 for this particular keyword. And this is how I was actually able to make the money. So you can see the video only got like 537 views, but I made well over, the price of the course for this particular, for that particular keyword, right? It was the keyword that I found and I said, this correlates with what this course is about. So let me actually rank the video and make money. Now we're gonna go to the other keyword. Make sure I spell this right. Can't even spell today. Friend filter, right? Friend filter. Let me go ahead and space that real quick. Oop, messing all up today. All right, so filter Facebook, right? Because that's an actual keyword. So when I click on that, you can see I'm ranking #1 for this keyword. So friend filter for Facebook. So for this one was a new one that I put out 2 weeks ago. And I also put another one out like a year ago. So that one got 3,000 views. And if we keep going down, you can see I made 2 more. So each and every time there was an update or whatever it was, I put out another video for it. So you can see this one got 6,000 views, but this one right here didn't do so well, right? And it may have been because of the quality or whatever it is, I don't know. But the whole point that I'm trying to get across is when you rank these videos, it's gonna allow you to really start showing up, building up that audience, really getting people to, really feel you. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, that's what it's about. It's about people resonating with you. All right, so I'm gonna show you the last one, right? Because this one is based around like a virtual phone system. So I said, okay, I have this system and this is like my business phone. And I said, okay, well, they have an affiliate program. Well, let me actually rank a video for that. So best virtual phone system for small business. Okay, boom, you can see I'm ranking #1 right here, right? I'm ranking #1 for that particular keyword, which gets 390 searches a month. And the competition with keywords everywhere, that's 80 out of 100 competition, and the CPC is $123, which means that the people that are paying for these ads are paying a pretty penny, okay? So boom, #1 right there. And then we ranking over people who have, way bigger channels and way more authority in those niches. So what I'm saying, once again, and I know I keep saying this, but when you learn the skill of ranking, it's going to change the game for you, especially when it comes to affiliate marketing. And it literally allows you to make money in your sleep over and over and over again, all right? So hopefully you got some value from this video. And if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this video was valuable. And if you want help from me, if you want me to kind of guide you along your journey and on this YouTube path, definitely go ahead, reach out to me on Facebook. Let's have a conversation and let's get you rocking and rolling when it comes to ranking, driving more views, and making more money. All right. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.